Hello viewers, welcome to Credit World. I'm really happy to see that you guys are getting approved for credit cards without affecting your credit score by watching our videos. So thank you so much for your support and comments. I am really glad to see that you guys are actually taking a better step for your future and of course for your credit as well. So if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to the channel to get amazing videos like this. And also I have tons of videos on my channel where you can get new credit cards, credit limits without affecting your credit score. It means there is no hard pull and there are different tricks and tips, so you can just get your credit card without any hard pull, means just with a soft pull. So thank you so much. Without wasting any time, do like the video, give it a thumbs up, and let's start the video. In this video I'm going to review an amazing credit card, and I came across this credit card and I felt like this is the next generation credit card, and this is really nice because they are giving the credit limit for up to $5,000, and it's a MasterCard just like the Apple Card. And the great thing about this that they don't care about your credit history. Means you just started building your credit history, or if you have no credit history at all, they don't care about it. They'll still give you the credit card. So what we need to do right here, we need to see what are the perks and what are the things and how you can apply this credit card. So let's get straight into it. The first thing that I told you already is this credit card offers you $5,000 credit limit. It's just insane. It's amazing. Not a lot of credit cards are doing it right now, and especially it's one of the financial institution who doesn't care about your credit history, and I literally love it. Right, so what they exactly do, I'll let you know in a bit, but let's go to another point. It's just it doesn't have any annual fee, and this is what I really like about this Jasper card, because I literally hate the cards which has annual fee, because paying an annual fee on a card is just like that you are giving your money away. And there are some cards, just like the higher end cards, the higher tier cards, just like American Express Platinum card, and the other card which has like the higher fee because it has the perks. So but for these cards, of course, having an annual fee, it doesn't really make any sense at all. So let's talk about this thing, that why they don't need your credit history, and I am really surprised to see this. So they're actually the next generation credit card, and what it is, a lot of companies right now in Silicon Valley and the people who are having a very high-end background in financial institutions, just like Binance, and you can say in the stock market, the people are coming forward, and they are coming up with these companies, and they're offering these loans and credit cards with the steps that the next generation credit cards should take. So the first one, what they exactly do, they actually ask for your they ask you to connect your bank account to their credit card. What it means, they analyze your expenses and they see that how much limit you're eligible for. It means like if you have constant money coming to your account and you have good financial standings with that financial institution, means your checking account or saving account, they'll analyze that and they'll set the credit limit according to that. So this is actually a good thing. And one more thing, and I think every bank should do that, they actually have this auto pay thing, right? That if you have used the card, they'll deduct the money automatically every month. So it's up to you. You set it for for the minimum payment or for the whole amount, your outstanding balance. That's totally up to you, but it is mandatory to do that. And I believe it's a great thing, because most of the times how the people miss their payments is because they forget to pay it on time. And by having this mandatory step, I think it will greatly help your credit, and of course it will help you to take care of your financial standings as well. So this is one thing. And one more thing that they require, and they actually require the email address of your employer. So if you're employed, so they require the email address of your employer just in case. I've heard they don't contact your employer. They just need to see that you're working for a company and you are a legitimate person. And that's why they ask for the employer email. So I think this card, it's more bend towards professionals, you know, who has like stable career, and you know, who has money coming to their account every month, or with actually continuous interval of time. So I believe this is the card for professionals, and that's what they say, a premium MasterCard designed for professionals. So they are actually targeting these people. And I believe if you have you know, if you don't have any job, then I think you are not fit for this card. But if you have a job, it doesn't matter how good it is or how bad it is. If your money coming to your account every month, then the odds are that you are going to get this card for sure. So yeah, it's actually a good card. I personally love it. I usually, you know, that I don't stretch my videos. I try to make the videos precise, and you know, I want to stick to the point, that you know, whatever the points that you need to listen. That's why I don't show my face as well. There's no need to do that, because this channel is all about giving you the financial education and information that you need to build your credit, and of course how you can get access to the higher credit limits without affecting your credit score. So let's go to another point. As I already told you, the credit limit is up to $5,000, and actually it's a pretty good one. They said no credit history needed. It means like if you have a credit score, we'll check it out. If you don't, no problem, we'll see you, we believe in your future. So that's what their motto is. And they are offering different services, as I already told you, like auto payment has to be on. This is a mandatory part, that so you cannot miss your payment, you know. And of course, you know, they make sure that you don't get into that, you know. If you had any sort of debt, probably they'll not approve you. But if you have this card, they'll actually give you tips and tricks how you can manage your expenses. And of course, as any other credit card, you can track your expenses and everything. So they've been appeared on many international platforms and big platforms, just like NerdWallet, Yahoo, you know, and the card rates, these sort of things, and there are a couple of more. So I believe this card is actually a good fit for the people who are professionals, and for the people who don't have any credit history or who have very narrow credit history. It has no annual fee, it has low APR, I believe it's like 12% or something. It's pretty cool. The credit limit is up to $5,000, and of course this card is used to build your credit score. That's why they are targeting the people with no credit history or very limited credit history. So that's all for today's video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, because we'll keep making great videos for you, so you can build your credit and you can get access to higher credit limit. Of course, how you can create relationship with the financial institutions, and that's what this channel is all about. I'm also going to add a segment right here, and I'll be talking about the loans, the personal loans that you can get with bad credit, poor credit, or it doesn't matter, you don't have any credit at all. So if you are interested of knowing about these things or learning about these things, then please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. As Steven Graham says, destroy the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. See you. Be safe.